trash stinks. I know, right?
Oh,
so blurry.
no.
There it goes. It's focusing in.
It's one of those videos. Potato cam journalism. Oh, breathing hard. Heavy breathing intensifies. Wow. Excellent. Excellent filming. What kind of potato cam is this? Okay, so this is baiting cops. Stand there until you get a reaction. This is a normal traffic stop. What are you hoping to capture? Oh yeah, excellent. I could totally see everything. I don't even know what city you're in. Wow. Prepare to fast forward.
Never fails. So they pull this guy over for a traffic infraction. And obviously they've created a scene.
Who's created a scene? You just filming nothing.
How could this dog be reliable when he's already sounding off?
You watch way too many fucking Frauditor videos, man. This dude is a tryhard. Wow. I'm totally enthralled. What good is this? Are you selling this? Are you selling this to the news? Are you putting it on the news? Routine traffic stop. Yay. I guess this is why it only has 700 views. Oh my god, it has 700 views? Jesus, who's watching this? You're gonna have to wait for it, folks. At the end of this, it's worth it.
He's live streaming or something inside of his car.
But I'm not live streaming.
I'm talking about the one in the car.
Maybe he's that one guy that you were talking about.
Nah, he's just doing it because he's trying to protect himself.
Maybe he's calling his mom or his relative to help him or let him know that he's being pulled over. How do you know he's live streaming? You're hella far away. Wow, excellent camera work as usual from the Frauditors. I've yet to see.
Stinks behind me.
I've yet to see one single Frauditor film correctly. Film anything worth watching. Like, oh my god, it's so annoying. Like, hold the camera steady. Like, do you give a shit about the viewer at all?
He called that K9 unit probably before he realized that we were out here recording. Hopefully, our cameras will make that not happen.
Why? You need the content? You need the views? You hoping that they sick the dogs on you for standing across the street with your eye potato? I think this is the most boring video I think I've ever seen. No, pretty much every one of them was a boring ass.
Let me see. Oh, we already got that one up. We'll get rid of that one.
Did you just delete the one that was already on there?
The one you were doing here?
You didn't delete that one, did you?
I'm not doing it.
So they don't know how to film.
See, it's still not gonna.
They don't know how to manage files. They don't know how to edit. It's all this fucking dead air.
I got so little light here.
You got so little light there. Oh my god, somebody teach these kids a class on how to film. How to hold your camera steady, how to pan left to right, how to lead a character. Framing.
Oh, not enough space.
Wow, so interesting. Routine traffic stop.
They wanted to search this guy. They brought the K9 unit.
How do you know that? You don't. These fucking idiots just assume all the time that they know what's going on. They don't. It's just, it's weird and creepy. It's like, one day I'll be famous on YouTube.
Hey, I need 1,000 subscribers so when I'm out here, I can be live.
Oh no, I think that one's going up.
Oh, there's
One
another.
right there. We're just going down that way, I think.
That's another.
I only know that because they're K-Light.
Fix
I
your
need 1,000
focus.
subscribers because when I'm out here, I can't be live.
Well, you don't have 1,000 subscribers because of this kind of
right
shit.
now.
Shaky ass camera work. Oh, thank you for the 500 subscribers in the last week or last couple days. Awesome.
Gonna cut him loose.
Wow.
Entertainment media, man. Oh God, here we go. We're being approached. What's going on, sir?
Hey, how y'all doing?
Doing great, man.
Did y'all get me good?
Well,
Y'all get
it's
me on
dark.
camera
We
good?
lost light during the.
Oh no. Okay, I just wanted to make sure you got me.
Okay.
Okay, what's going on? What y'all doing?
We just record the police.
Okay, why's that?
Why not?
I'm just
It's
asking.
First Amendment.
Okay, I got you.
Just make sure when y'all don't act crazy, you know.
Make sure we don't act crazy. Okay, I see. Okay, y'all live down here?
I do. I actually live real close. I went and got some ice cream at Food Line and seen you light him up.
Okay, I got you. All right. Where do you live, ma'am?
Same place.
Y'all live together? Okay. Y'all just out protecting the public?
Trying to.
Okay.
We do it everywhere, man. We've been to Fayetteville, Raleigh.
Okay.
There's a lot of us out here doing it too.
All right.
But we all don't have the same purse. So if you see, we're not all the same people because it's a movement.
Okay. What's the movement?
You know, just trying to. I'm sure you've heard about the high-profile ones like Michael Brown and stuff like that.
Huh?
Yeah,
Really?
Do you have a name of your movement?
News Now is a big thing. Anonymous.
What's your movement name? Okay. So y'all got a whole like Facebook page and everything?
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. Okay, so am I going to be on YouTube?
Oh, yes. Yes,
okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
Cool. Awesome. Well, I can't wait to see that.
Yeah, Full Entertainment Media. Actually, mine's just Cop Watch. Right now, it's just Cop Watch. But you can youtube.com/Cop Watching.
I got you.
But we are the local one right out of Jacksonville. I don't think there's any other ones out of Jacksonville. But there's News Now East Carolina. You should check him out. Jeff is here. You should check him out. James Freeman, you can check him out. Eric Brandt, I'm sure you've heard of Eric Brandt.
No, I can't say that.
Tom Zebra. Lots of them, man.
Okay.
You never heard of the bitch midget?
We all be careful of don't get hit by any car.
Oh, we're not. We're grown people. We're not going to get hit by cars.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Well, you know how to stop and say hi to y'all.
I'll shake your hand if you want.
Yeah, absolutely.
God bless you, man.
Yeah, man. You too.
Hey, if y'all ain't doing nothing crazy, then you ain't doing nothing wrong. You ain't got nothing to worry about.
All right,
You have no authority here.
Y'all take care.
God bless you, man.
These people are fucking delusional, man. I can't believe this shit. Oh, what has happened? What has happened? Who let these people get so out of control? It's Google, it's YouTube. You pay these channels and everybody thinks they can go out and do this. And then you got people like Tom Zebra that yells that he wants to shoot and kill 25, 30 cops, and everybody thinks, "Oh, that's so cool. I can make money on YouTube. It's like a welfare system without getting welfare." Yeah, it's not good content. It's not good content. And I've seen so many so many creators on YouTube that create great content, lots of editing, thought processes, good informative shit, and get like no views. And meanwhile, these assholes with their potato cams are raking it in, getting all kinds of money. Well, that's the mission of Zebra the Bicycle Frauditor, is to defund these channels. That's what my mission is. If you want to join that mission with the 500 people that joined in the last 2 days, please join my channel. We are going to defund these frauditors on YouTube. We need to cut the money off. We need to go after their donators. And I guarantee you they will stop filming. I guarantee you that they will stop filming with their potato cams. They won't care if there's no money in it. There's no goal of the money. It's about the money. You ever notice that they never invest in their equipment? They never invest in any kind of editing software. They never invest in better phones. They never invest in better service for their phones. They never invest in zoom lenses. They never invest in microphones. You see, that says a lot about who these people are and what they're all about. Please like and subscribe, share, and thank you for subscribing. It is appreciated.